They're all regular cards. We're gonna try some new tricks. Okay. See, they're all regular cards. Okay. Just pick randomly 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can look at the cards. Look at them. I don't know. I'm not looking at them. Okay. Remember the cards. Now we're gonna just put them inside randomly. Now, just do this. 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 And this. Now the most interesting part is how do I do it? Okay. Then you tell them to pick up 3 cards. Just pick up randomly 3 cards. You show them the card. When they're looking at the card, just turn the thing over. We have a card like this on the other end. So like it's like this. When they're looking at the card, just turn your back over. Then you just put it like this, as usual. Then just when you're doing this, turn it over again. Then basically your cards will be up. Like if you like it.